In a nation where football often plays second fiddle to cricket, there was a man who dared to dream big, who led with courage, and inspired a generation with his relentless spirit. Vata Parambat Sathyan, the unsung hero of Indian football, was not just a player but a leader who gave his all for the beautiful game. Yet, behind his legendary performances lay a story of silent struggles and untold battles. This is the story of a true fighter, a forgotten legend. This is the story of V.P. Sathyan. Vata Parambat Sathyan, commonly known as V.P. Sathyan, was a distinguished Indian footballer celebrated for his defensive prowess and leadership on the field. Born on 29 April 1965, in Mekkunnu near Chokli, Kannur district, Kerala, India, he emerged as a central figure in Indian football during the 1980s and 1990s. Sathyan's football journey commenced in 1982 with the Spirited Youth Club, followed by a stint at Lucky Star Club in 1983. His talents were soon recognized by the Kerala Police Football Club, which he joined in 1984. His tenure with Kerala Police was marked by significant achievements, including back-to-back Federation Cup victories in the 1989, 90 and 1990-91 seasons. In 1985, Sathyan made his debut for the Indian national team at the South Asian Federation (SAF) Games in Dhaka. His robust defending and leadership qualities led to his appointment as team captain in 1991, a role he held until 1995. Under his captaincy, India secured the inaugural SAFF Championship in 1993 and clinched a gold medal at the 1987 SAF Games in Calcutta. Sathyan's club career also included a season with Kolkata's esteemed Mohan Bagan during 1992-1993. After his stint in Kolkata, he returned to Kerala Police, continuing to contribute significantly to Indian football. His exceptional performance earned him the All India Football Federation (AIFF) Player of the Year award in 1995. His retirement from active play, Sathyan transitioned into coaching. In 2001, he took charge of the Indian Bank football team, successfully guiding them to the National Football League's top division. He further enhanced his coaching credentials by assisting then-Indian coach Stephen Constantine during the national team's tour of South Africa in 2002. Sathyan's legacy continues to inspire. In 2018, his life and career were immortalized in the biographical film Captain, with actor Jayasurya portraying him. The film received critical acclaim, and Jayasurya's performance earned him the Kerala State Film Award for Best Actor in 2019. V.P. Sathyan's journey from a small town in Kerala to captaining the Indian national team exemplifies dedication and passion for football. His contributions have left an indelible mark on Indian football, inspiring future generations to pursue the sport with similar fervor. V.P. Sathyan tragically passed away on 18th July 2006, by suicide. Struggling with depression and financial difficulties, he ended his life by jumping in front of a train near Pallavaram, Chennai. His death was a significant loss to Indian football and brought attention to the mental health challenges faced by athletes post-retirement. As the sun set on 18th July 2006, it marked not just the end of a day but the extinguishing of a shining star in Indian football. V.P. Sathyan, a man who gave his all for the sport he loved, left us in a way that reminds us of the silent battles so many fight behind closed doors. His legacy lives on, but so does the void he left behind, a stark reminder of the importance of recognizing and supporting those in need. Let us remember Sathyan not only for his greatness on the field but also as a symbol of why no one should ever face their struggles alone. Rest in peace, Captain. You will forever be missed.